Here I have BQ Aquaris X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So you have to go to the settings, scroll down, tap on system, go to the system language. Next you have to go to the language and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, and here you can add keyboard. And you can choose one of those languages, quite a big choice. So let's select, for example, this first one, Abkhaz. Then you tap done, and that's it. Now you have your keyboard in Abkhaz language. And now you can tap in Abkhazian. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.